What comes after K?
You startled me.
Is that good?
I just didn't see you coming.
Right.
Perhaps you could make a noise when you move around.
Yes.
After K is L. But look, what exactly are you doing?
Oh, I thought I'd make the books easier to find. So I thought if I put them in alphabetical order.
Alphabetical. By author?
What's author? No, I was shelving the books by the first letter of the first sentence.
But no one would ever... Jolly good. Good idea. Thank you, Jim. Carry on.
And now I will make a noise when I move around.
Right. Not that. Or that.